Where do I start with Infinio?
Infinio is absolutely amazing. This is the biggest launch we've ever done.
It's happening!
You have to hear it to believe it.
On this level, nobody has done it before.
Wow, this is so cool.
Oh, wow, great. It just works.
We've been waiting for this.
With Infinio, we are providing the best sound quality from the first moment. And let's not forget, it's not just the first moment in the clinic, it's the first moment when they take it home. And with Infinio, we have 3 key innovations that lead into that. APD 3.0, the AI Dome Proposer, and AutoSense OS 6.0. Even though I've worked on this product for a couple of years, I was not expecting that sound quality. And I went back to the teams that I work with, and I'm like, wow, this is so cool. You told me it was cool. I knew it was cool, but it really sounds really good.
The engineering team is really excited about the Phonak Infinio launch. It's really, I think, unparalleled connectivity. We have improved the transmit power of the ERA hybrid chip on which we have been working for more than 4 years. Phonak Infinio users will experience groundbreaking performance. Because you could have your phone in your back pocket, in your backpack, or on a desk. No more hassle when it comes to connectivity. It will just work.
Reliability is the ultimate pursuit of making sure that our consumers don't have to go without a device at any time. We've almost 80 years of experience here in Switzerland to engineer the best possible quality in our products, and we're extremely proud of continuing to do so with Infinio and beyond.
Now, finally, with this new product, I am really capable of having a conversation with my partner or my friend right next to me, even in a car, even with music in the background.
The Phonak Infinio is very exciting because it's Sanova's first rechargeable custom product. It has a great fit rate, which means we're able to fit many individuals. And it's also very easy for the individual to use. It's quite an exercise in both engineering as well as a component of art.
So what excites me the most is the package that comes with Infinio from a feature and function perspective. So we've got a dedicated deep neural network that separates speech from noise for the most challenging listening environments.
Compared to the competition, this is nothing short of revolutionary. One of the biggest challenges is getting this DNN on a small chip because it needs a lot of computation. We have 4.5 million parameters. Each parameter means more computation that the network has to do, and thus you need a really powerful chip. And the Deep Sonics chip is the only chip in the industry that can deliver that computation. That took us a while, but I think we're the first to get there, so I'm really proud of this.
Even if I'm carrying my son on my shoulders in a busy shopping mall, conversations can happen from everywhere around me, even from above. So inside the total sphere around me, speech can come at any time, at any moment.
Do you remember how it was with your first love and how light you felt? This is coming again.